Turn up the flavor and add a new, bold and creamy chicken recipe to your meal rotation. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to make a super easy and super quick Indian-inspired dish with a lighter twist: chicken with peanut coconut curry. To get started, prepare 2 cups of brown basmati rice in a microwave according to package directions. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of avocado oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once that's heated up, add 1 sliced medium yellow onion and stir fry for 1 minute. Add in 3 tablespoons of red curry paste and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, and cook for 30 seconds or until fragrant. Next, stir in 1 can of light coconut milk, 3/4 cup of Hy-Vee less sodium chicken broth, 3 tablespoons of PB2 powdered peanut butter, and 2 teaspoons of less sodium soy sauce. PB2 powdered peanut butter contains 90% less fat than traditional peanut butter and still provides 6 grams of plant-based protein per serving. Bring this mixture to a boil, stirring constantly. Then add 2 cups of Hy-Vee picked rotisserie chicken breast and heat all the way through. Beyond its rich protein content, chicken contains choline, a nutrient that plays a role in memory and other brain functions. When that's done, stir in 1 cup of tightly packed organic baby spinach and cook until fully wilted. Spoon the basmati rice into a serving bowl and top with the chicken curry mixture. Sprinkle with 1/3 cup of chopped, lightly salted, dry roasted peanuts and garnish with a seeded and sliced Fresno chili pepper. Serve with lime wedges if desired. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. Get healthcare news, dietitian recommendations, plus exclusive offers. Sign up for our Hy-Vee Health 360 monthly newsletter at Hy-Vee.com.